things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.
Good morning, good morning. It's the day after the premiere. I'm so tired. Sleep a beat me but early in the morning. I put on my seatbelt. Sleep a beat me but early in the morning. I got to go to the airport. As you know, me have a flight to go LA for wicked winter. Me and Gallus I go host it, so I probably see Gallus with me at the airport. Think we're on the same flight. So go mad up on yourself. And see me can run go stop and get a cup of porridge or something. I hungry and tipsy, I'm not lie. So yeah, me I try sober up real quick. So go mad up on yourself. I so forward. So right now, vlog world, we just park at the airport. Me kinda little bit early, I think. I'm not sure, I have to go check back the boarding time. But me just park my car there, so and I go book in, check in right now. Testing. Yo, vlog world, what go on? So no don't know one cutty in our building, you see me? Alright. We're waiting for Gallus right now. Gallus see there back eye plane.
Yeah.
Not back eye class, back eye plane. No man, we don't see mate.
I see them now.
Oh. So yeah guys, we have traveled from morning. And we just reached at LA. Over here cold and me have a shot. I wrong thing me go do today.
People here what now? The promoter book the cheapest flight.
We have fly from there.
Yeah.
Craziness.
Sit down run a bathroom.
You alone?
Yeah man, I just reached a while ago.
At what time now? 5 and we have fly from morning. Just say that, morning.
11 o'clock, yeah.
Alright, so nobody now call her.
I text her already man, she's sleeping on her radio.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and stay tuned, we're gonna get some food and thing. Alright, so vlog girl, as me that said before, it cold? You know that cold. Me have to take off my jacket a while ago because me look like an Eskimo in a shorts and jacket. When them come pick me.
Well, I know. Yo, Gallus, oh you close them all? Eh?
You know that bag there though?
Yeah.
So one day I got fly for.
2 shoes and yeah, man.
2 shoes? How one shoes me could have carried?
2 foot of shoe.
Yo, I one shoes me carry one Air Force, nothing else could hold. It's a Timberland shoes me you want beat.
Tonight I go crazy, you know. Yeah. So here we know. Good boy say if your girl goes,
she get tech.
Alright.
What? Me enjoy me go 24 hours. We outside. It's not like what me expect. LA, we're here. We never get to do no bag of video. Oh Ross, she come. She forward. Oh Lord, girl is the same thing girl is a pack light. What's a pack light? It can't fit man, no make it that. My bag then film bag, it can't fit. Hold on. Man and two and it can't. Hello.
Hi.
Them man used to country life, you know. Them can't pack car. Them never used to take bus. Yeah man, I eat that, see it fit. Now sit down in a middle, you know, me don't talk. I'm holding my seat already. So guys, we just reaching our car.
I'm in the middle.
Why? Good evening. We can get some food? Thank you. I'm so, yeah man, from there we don't eat. I know Gallus is hungry too, you know. Hey guys, so we in a Jamaican restaurant. But for order some food and thing. Wicked winter, little more, we already know the whole team in our town. And thing. Nah, like me, I smell the jerk chicken and that I want to eat. Hello. You don't know where they are Wagwan. Jamaican restaurant in LA. I not lie. We're there with the owner and thing. A yard man. So when you come support yard business, you see me? The food, I not try it yet, but from the park, I smell the jerk chicken. Nah lie, all the chef come link me a while ago. I can't wait to try my food. Cut them in there, drink soup. What you call it? Broth water. Got no meat in there. Alright, so guys, we just reached the hotel and I check in and thing. We get our food and here chilling. Waiting for the ticket them to go to our room. Me that say we never have time for take a nap. But it's early. About 5 or 6 hours before we go to the party. So we're all going to see what's about to happen. So all we have room, right? And
in that situation, we are shuffle the room. Shuffle them to see who get the better room. Alright. But we see what I go and cut it forward.
So people, right now we're gonna shuffle the pack and you're all gonna pick. Okay?
You can't speak proper English.
You're gonna pick.
Alright.
I don't think I'll pick it. No, you don't know if I pick.
8-12.
Who get 9?
My room at 8-12. Gallus.
Who get 9?
Get 827.
Cutty get the suite. Him know what him a do. The suite at 9 though. So guys, after a long day of traveling, we finally get in our room. Me never get the suite. Cutty know what me da do. He take the card. He take the best room. You see me? But me like this, me have view. Think they not have view over film side. You see me? So me not complain. But tonight a wicked winter. Me and Galissa host it. You know. Copper shot sound I go play. And thing. Me tired, you know. Dog, me not sleep from last night. Me not sleep from after the movie premiere. And me should have vlog for sure now with it. But stay tuned. We're gonna leave tomorrow morning again, so hope me can get one full day of sleeping. I miss my daughter, you freak. As you can see, I'm ready. I'm not showing my feet because me in a rush. Put the key in my pocket. Them just come pick me up for Guy Club. So the next clip you know I go see, I want to be in a club. So stay tuned. Yo, me that sleep, you know. On my phone alarm, but me I ignore it. Yo. The time difference fuck me up, me nah lie. Me tired. Alright, so you don't know. We ready for wicked winter. Victor on there, so I'm not think Cutty. The whole team out tonight. So when you catch you in a party, me a forward back drunk. Hopefully not pissy drunk, but me a forward back drunk.
You have to say black or black. You can't say back. You can't forward back. Understand now? Ah, good.
Teach your grammar, bro.
Let me go.
Cutty can't teach somebody no. Cutty go on the front now, you go on the front.
Come here, put on seatbelt.
Yeah.
You do.
So guys, me and me could do no for now. Bonavic drive like a man. A fair party! The girl selector you play with your phone. You can't forget about the girl. What's your name?
Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn that can be keep on shit. The blueprint is about
So you disappear, you can never did back. Me no walk up a kilometer, just a sister. Go on down, you want me so you don't know. I should be able to say I know. I saw that. Billy got it. Watch Trabass. Billy got it. You're ready now.
Say my money, I'm gonna take this sick. Like you are saying, tell us about sick. One for me think them now, quick. See, you think you play. Say my money, I'm gonna take this sick. Like you are saying, tell us about sick. One for me think them now. So we go here, I like
Hey, I see a driver go home enough.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Good morning, vlogger. Me just awake. Tired of freak. Last night was a movie. As you can see. We feel left right now, you know. Me just hear somebody knock on the door. I want the people them to come clean the room. Me not ready to get up, dog. Me tired of fuck. Me not lie. And then, you know what mess up? The time difference throw me off. The time difference throw me off. Right now I think about 1 something in the morning on Friday. 1 something in the day. You 3 hour off, set a mess with me. More sleep in the plane, I go back, but me afraid. Me don't want the plane crash. So guys, as you can see, I'm leaving. I just get the text and then downstairs. So me I run go downstairs to catch him. I can't find my mic for that camera. I appreciate it in my bag. I half rest, half junk. I don't know what to do. Wanna come with me? So vlog, we'll reach the airport. We wasn't far away. Bonavik, thank you for inviting me to your party. I had so much fun. Guys, who don't miss our next party coming up again. Bonavik, Wicked Winter, a mad move. We gone because we late for our flight. He got a fix.
Joke thing that. Yo, man, we can't do it.
So why them pull your bag out of the line now?
Because this brother.
You don't know it's what. You don't know it's what.
You don't know it's what. Thief and road.
You don't know
They
it's
have
what.
a sex toys in there. No, they give you.
Nothing wrong. You see
Me the one they search it and take it out, you know.
Let me give man.
Yeah, give me so they don't stop here. Show away in the way you get stuff.
People.
Cut he take you all I wrote them from last night. A two.
This is my
Me the one and him take you all of them. Look there.
So people.
Why you take the rose them, Cutty? Cutty, look on it too.
Hear me,
Yellow. What you do with that yellow rose, Cutty?
Brother, have to give away.
Give away which part?
Remember, we play music. We got 10 rows last night to give away. We give her 9, left 1.
Yeah, carry that one there.
You see me? Somebody need this one to give away in Florida.
Yeah.
You got me?
Yeah.
Or anywhere else we go.
So put it in your bag now.
No, hold on. Put it there.
While we're here walking to our gate, Cutty, you have nothing I want to say?
Yeah, bro. You know, someday I look on the rose. You see it? Rose, right?
Yeah.
Just remind me about Titanic.
What about
You know,
that?
say, you feel like them 20-25 man here would have dead for your woman?
Some.
Like in a Titanic?
Some.
You don't think none of them would have dead?
Some.
Yo, me
We're
not dead.
with. Some of
People
them.
are dead. Me not dead. Yo,
Y'all say that dead?
hell fuck. What do you mean? Where dead I go? See they know? Alright, Jack dead. They mind know Jack dead in a Titanic. And Rose move on. Her husband, her Whitney. Why she never dead the same time when Jack did that dead?
That dirty bitch.
Yes,
That
I
too.
say. Me
That
not
too.
dead. And what's the next time too? You see Rose are wicked.
That's why they named this rose, you know.
Yeah.
They didn't know that.
Rose are
Me a
wicked.
teach you know, this is history class. That's why
you-
them named that rose.
You know, remember now. How long?
Yo, but Cutty Brave I walk with the rose brawling in an airport like that and me I walk beside her. Next thing you hear somebody ball out, that's my boyfriend.
Rose find the whistle. How long before she find the whistle?
No, she blew a whistle because I like board and them did that.
Yeah, but how long the man dead with the whistle on the neck? Why she never?
But she that blow it for no reason if she did blow it long time.
Oh, alright,
Think about it.
alright, but Rose could have been able to, alright, because I remember say she go up on the good boat, you know. She go up on the good boat to the rich man, you know.
Yeah, and jump
she
off, yeah.
Why she never make, go up on the good boat and make Jack up that space there? Rose is dead.
Cause I love.
Love?
Yeah.
You soon know, see Jack dead, then now she go marry now, back up picking it. She alright.
You know say table turn cause watch Adam and Eve. And Eve gave Adam and apple and the world fuck up now, you know.
Yeah, true.
And look the rose. Make him on Jack dead.
Jack dead. So woman a wicked devil.
I know what you know. The roads are coming.
And
Get
see
a youth.
And see Rose coming now, see that?
Get a youth. Girls are drugs.
Rose coming now, and woman now want see man again.
Get a youth. Girls are drugs. Take your money by house.
So guys, we made it off the plane. We didn't die.
Have a great night.
Thank you. You too. We made it off the plane. I don't see me catch some of the turbulence on the plane. Boy, my youth, that's why I like drive, you know. My whole life flash before my eye. Multiple times on the flight, yeah. You don't know catch me take a plane in a while. I build off a plane ride. For now. I never planned this. The amount of anxiety nearly killed me a while ago.
For a good 20 minutes.
My youth. My youth. When I tell them I say, I scream about this game.
When I tell them I look around and I say, yo, Trabass see a ball. I don't say afraid, you know.
I know you see every move me make, dog. My, when I come me alone in my room, you know. When I tell them I bend down to hold my belly. They say we can't do it. So guys, I officially reached my car. Finally find it. 7 pp. I think. Just show my bag in the car. I tired the fuck. But I gonna get some food and roll out. This idea right after Bonavik party, Wicked Winter. My next day this, so I see we travel until the night and thing. I'm there home now. I'm gonna see my daughter soon, so I'm not gonna see her, but I'm probably sure her. I'm excited, I can't wait to see her. I want to go to Target go get some clothes, you know, and shoes and boots and everything there. So I'm excited to see my daughter. If you haven't already, check out the movie. It's in the description. Please check out the movie. Tell a friend go watch it. I try to come to New York to do my next movie premiere. You see me? So I try to do it big. You see him? So, I want to stay tuned. I'm soon give you more information about that. But, when you go watch a movie right now and thing, when you want to see the premiere and all of that, make sure you watch it. You see me?
I developed fast. By 13, I had boobs. By 14, I just thought maybe the club.
I saw you giving out your number to the customer.
Why are you firing me? I need this job and you know that.
Fired.
Okay, I'll text you my address and all.
To a wonderful night. You're not even left me be a fucking stripper! Don't fuck with me, bitch! What the fuck? Yeah.
I don't go drunk. I don't sell drugs.
Yes, but he would know.
No.
The fuck she looking at?
Andrew, I've seen that girl from God can't put my finger on it. Star!
Yeah. Drop the money up there, she club down, sir. Say one dirty, stinking, nasty, warring,